Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S22 with a broken display and a broken back cover. So let's go fix it. So we have here an S22 with a broken back cover and a broken display, but unfortunately we don't have a back cover in stock for this specific model. And you know, the back cover is really just a cover for the S22. Some smartphones have back covers with fingerprint scanners and other sensors, but this one is a simple. So if you have an iPhone, you have the back cover with magnets for MagSafe charging and accessories. This one, just plain glass. You can order it off from AliExpress or other sellers online. You can even install it yourself. You can even have a transparent back cover. So what we're going to focus now is removing the broken display. We'll replace the display itself and the housing. And we'll remove the screws that are attaching the wireless charging and the cover for the daughter board. We'll also detach some flex cables going from the main board to the daughter board. So you have the main board up top, and the middle one is the battery, and then the bottom one where the charging ports, microphones, that's the daughter board. It's a very small one. But we have a Samsung Galaxy expert here. This is David. He's done this many times. He's making it look easy. And Samsung designed their smartphones to be, I think, easy to disassemble. I've seen many repair videos here in the shop, and I think Samsung is doing a great job keeping the parts to be removed at the minimum. You can also switch parts without any issues, unlike Apple with serialized parts. You can just swap out displays between units of the same model, and it will still work with Samsung devices. So this one, I think it is quite difficult to remove. I think this has a adhesive at the bottom. I think this is a sensor for the back camera. Also gonna remove the buttons. I think this is the trickiest part because the replacement housing and display doesn't have the buttons. So we'll have to remove this with a flex cable. We have to be very careful because it's very thin and fragile. Also the buttons themselves, we're gonna remove that and reuse that with the housing. So I wish that there's a housing with the buttons because it's quite fiddly. I'm gonna remove the battery. Also held on by adhesive, so have to be very careful. Batteries like these are very dense. So if you don't know what you're doing, if you're not really sure how to remove it, don't attempt it. If you puncture it or bend it too much, it can cause fire or even explode. So just be mindful. So if you don't have the skills, the techniques, the tools to do this screen replacement jobs, maybe you can go to your local service technician, ask them for help. If they have parts, that's much better. Here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we are upfront on what we can do with the device. David here is an expert, so there's no question that he's just going to say yes to any Samsung screen replacement. It's going to be a routine for him, but for us who don't do this for a living, maybe we can ask someone like David here to do the job for us. You can visit Sydney CBD Repair Center for a free consultation. We'll diagnose the issues with your device. We'll give you a free quote how much you'll spend. We don't overcharge, we just charge the parts and labor. We have limited warranty as well. So yeah, if you're around Sydney, you can visit us. If you're out of Sydney, out of the country, you can mail in your broken smartphone and we'll do the job here and send it back to you once we're done. It only depends if you don't have the technician near you, because it's gonna cost a lot for shipping. So everything that we remove from the old display and housing will be installed to the new one. This is a different color, I believe, but it's not gonna be an issue. It's still gonna work fine. And with the brand new display and the brand new housing, it looks like a brand new phone, just to be honest. The back cover will be reinstalled, so that's gonna be the main eyesore, but you can slap on a phone case. It's gonna cover the cracks and you're golden. Flex cables reinstalled, screws goes back in, cover, another cover for wireless charging, and we're almost done. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, you can leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. You can subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you're from YouTube, you can also click the bell icon so you can see our new uploads every week. If you're interested on smartphone repair, right to repair, saving money, saving the planet by fixing old smartphones or broken smartphones that are relatively new, this is the channel for you. We release new videos every day. And if you're interested to learn more, you see how a shop repair goes in real life, this is it. You have a messy work area, but positive work is been done on these tables. David has been working with smartphones for quite some time now, so you can learn a lot just by watching our videos. Not really a guide, just an inspiration. If you're into this field, definitely give us a follow. And this is the final result. I'm gonna test the buttons, cameras, touchscreen, speakers, antennas, and we give it back to the client. And if we have a free screen protector or tempered glass, we also throw that in just as a freebie. Make sure the display looks pristine for a very long time. We also recommend that you buy a tempered glass for your device. It's not expensive, it's not even obtrusive, so that's a good life hack there. So thanks for joining, guys. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.